Hello everyone, welcome to our presentation video. And this video is our project in National Social Science Research Competition by Center for Young Scientists 2019. Okay, first of all, let me introduce ourselves. My name is Edward, and my group partner is Krishna Cecilia, and also our supervisor is Miss Elsia Putri Nasution. We are from Matauli Senior High School, and we are the first winner of Sumatera Utara Social Science Competition 2018. Okay, the title of our research is Diversity and Acculturation of Bugis Tribes Culture and Sibolga Coastal Tribes in Hajoran Central Tapanuli Regions. Introduction. Formulations of the problem. Okay, the formulations of the problem are: what is the background of the Bugis community entry to Hajoran? How was the process of socialization and adaptation of Bugis community with coastal community in Hajoran? And how was the development of the community's culture and acculturation Bugis with coastal communities in Hajoran? And the backgrounds of the problem. First, the existence of a society that is ethnically Bugis settled in Hajoran, and the existence of a community of Bugis culture brought to the Hajoran village. Research methods. Okay, we use three methods in this research. They are literature review, field research or participation, and interview or observation. The background influx of Bugis society to Hajoran. Okay, next to the problem of our research. The factors of community of Bugis from South Sulawesi discharge. The first factor that made the community of Bugis came to Hajoran from South Sulawesi is to avoid the caste system in South Sulawesi. The second factor is to avoid the Darul Islam Indonesian Islamic Army in South Sulawesi. And the last factor is to looking for a better job in the land of Rantau. The arrival path of the Bugis community to Hajoran. In 1970, the Bugis community moved to Sibolga City, and in 1973, they came to Hajoran, invited by Haji Dayang Matahari. To the process of socialization and adaptation of Bugis and coastal community in Hajoran. The process of adaptation. The Bugis community had three ways to have adaptation with new people called Lucapa. Okay, the first is Capalila or diplomation, the second is Caparaso or marriage, and the last is Capakawali or war. Early admission. The early admission of the Bugis community to Hajoran had less acceptable by the coastal community because they had jealous of the Bugis community's skill in managing the marine resources. So, it made a war in 1976 and ended with peace in 1977. After they had reconciled, they had formed a village called Kampung Bugis in 1978.
The development of the community's culture and acculturation Bugis with coastal communities in Sibolga Hajoran. First, religion and belief system. The majority of their religion is Muslim. Second, kinship or civic. The system of kinship there tend to be compact and good. They no longer look at the tribe and there were no more boundaries. So, they merge each other, and in their marriage system, there is acculturation. Third, a livelihood. The dominant livelihood is fishing. Next, language and literature. The common language in there is Baiko language. However, when the Bugis people met the another Bugis people, they were Bugis language, but the way of speaking already mixed with the vernacular Baiko language. Then, technology and settlement. Real evidence of acculturation of the technology is Bagan Pancang. On the acculturation of settlement, which used to were under house, had been to home of shaman. Next, the knowledge system, the educational system following the local education system. And the last one is art. We can see a picture of Bagan Panjang, where the top of Bagan Panjang was once square and is now cone-shaped. It is specialized in the art of acculturation. In the middle section of Bagan Panjang, there is a small house where fishermen live waiting for a net full of fish. At the bottom, there is a kind of net that above their legs to attract fish enter on the net it. When the net is full, then there will be a kind of handbinger of bells, and the nets will be elevated to top using pulley. We can see more pictures of Bagan Panjang on this slide. The marriage system there uses mixing two customs. On the night before the wedding, Ba'inai night was used, namely culture from the coast that used Sikambang Arch, which consists of dance and singing, and full of advice from the coastal Sibolga. These are pictures of their marriage. And tomorrow the Tamat Kaji tradition is used, which is an indigenous tribe of Bugis. In this custom, there is a kind of tradition of immersing the bride's feet on the eggshell. This custom is combined with chipping and pension coastal Sibolga. The attention of the government. The first, in the field of education. Initially, the children there had to go to school to the next village, which was quite far away. Now, some adequate schools has been established. Secondly, in terms of reducing poverty, the government also provides adequate facilities for fishermen, like insurance for fishermen and others. Thirdly, in the cultural field, the government also helped preserve Bugis and coastal cultures. For example, at the festival, there are officials who wear Bugis clothes and also the coast. The fourth, in infrastructure. In the infrastructure sector, the government has set up bathrooms in a home, which they used to defecate directly into the sea. Now there is a bathroom. So, the conclusion is, at the beginning of the arrival tribe Bugis to the Hajaran were not accepted by coastal communities. So, there is a war and conflict. But in the end, they reconciled and formed an acculturation of mixing the Bugis and coastal cultures of Sibolga.
Okay everyone, that's all about our sociology research. Hopefully this research can be a new knowledge for you all. We are Edward, Krishna, and Miss Elsa say thank you. Guru Sumange, terima kasih sadonyo, terima kasih, horas tapten.